Here is the premium head gasket for an Austin Healey 3000, just received from Spares. It was very well wrapped. There is no shipping damage. You can see that there are no creases in the paper backing. There's no damage to the plastic or to the external box that was in. However, when I take the product out of its packaging, you can clearly see it has delaminated here and also here. These are manufacturing defects. Oh, here's a third one here. There's no corresponding creases or bend marks. Oh, there's another one here. There are multiple delaminations of the copper layer from the underlying layer. This is a defective manufactured product. Multiple delaminations. I can't put this on my car.